was for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba had the latest hot era with a bravo. And we so we subscribe to channel area, but more than say over subscribe. Double yard say over click a year the subscribe button. Now wabele notification. We had a video for Frubia be uploaded. When the first person once saw a year saw video. Afi we are now like if video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share my wo for so na when you be here now who and someone so Ghana me mohano. Afi ye share ye someone ababeto yepono so iti ye sabkubuya ekosi mama iti sans
bra Anas Aremeyaw Anas a free US court by when you 18 million obechiche mo bi enye bi na on a journalist yi di nkomo yi afi o science so chere journalist and say yes 18 million e dey eba emu nsem so odwa na numu bia esan bobo nsem so e di bi share Ahmed Suale when you baby call or the bi share na enum nyam saying Anas e di san common with the journalist. Take a listen to this.
This case was about Ahmed Suale, and very recently a suspect has been arrested. What do you make of this development?
I pray that we push on and keep investigating until we arrest all the culprits involved. If I was sitting here having this interview, Ahmed would have been right here. Ahmed would have been telling me, move left, move right. We do miss him because he was an integral member of the team. And there are some investigations that I started with him, and up to today, we are unable to continue. From time to time, I go to where Ahmed was shot, and I go to have my own quiet time. I go to Ahmed's grave, and I go to have my own quiet time. What does it do? It encourages me. When Ahmed was alive, one thing he asked me one day, he said, "Boss, I want to assure you, one day if you should die, I would continue with the good work that you do." I didn't know it was going to be the reverse because all along, I was the one who everybody looked up to. I was the one who was the target.
Now you've been awarded $18 million. Do you expect to see the money?
Before we started this legal suit, we asked ourselves that the person have the capacity to pay. We did some due diligence. At least we saw 3 houses within the United States. We've seen about 16 companies in Ghana. We think something can be done. I cannot be 100% certain, but I know that my legal team has done some work and they have a plan. But the bigger impact for me is not the money, but it's the fact that young journalists are encouraged to believe that no matter how big you are a politician, we also have the capacity to stand toe to toe with you. Once we are honest, once we are patient, our day will definitely come.
I say me, I'm a TM, say, if Ahmed Suale will be there, he will tell me to move right, to move left, to move left, to move right. Really? So, we US court no a ruling say supposed ruling be no a obe ka kire say court na man ruling no o grant say interview we o odema Daniel Dazi no o keka we no wo ho ebra wo kasa asem na Ahmed Suale ne yere the second wife edin kora 4 akotena obi so no no asu gina baby no osu Ahmed yiri su osu Aremeyaw te ho odidi anapa na ewia ne anadwo eno osu minim say 18 million no bekwa akoma lady ni bidi I don't know. But you see, how many times would I say that this guy, the methodologist or the age when the modus operandi cannot, will not, and may not be accepted in the operations of journalism because you're age manisa. But you know what? A senior journalist of our time has come out to speak against that methodology now or to our warrior. Take a listen to this. Who is this senior journalist? Listen.
Journalists are not supposed to be acting as intelligent agents. We are not. Our role is substantially different from undercover CIA agents and undercover MI5 agents and so on. We investigate, but our methods are also different, you know. Now you have Aremeyaw Anas doing something which is recognized by the society as being in interest and good and so on. But the methods are not journalistic. Journalists are not supposed to be acting as intelligent agents. We are not. Our role is substantially different from undercover CIA agents and undercover MI5 agents and so on. We investigate, but our methods are also different, you know. Now you have Aremeyaw Anas doing something which is recognized by the society as being in interest and good and so on. But the methods are not journalistic.
What they? The methods are not journalistic. Kwesi Pratt, the methods of Anas Aremeyaw and yet journalistic. Yeah, and a lot of senior journalists if winning. Woman said, "Woman anymore." Hey, a dear mommy who drew me pie was when Aremeyaw Anas Edemi call media commission. Now me call 2 media commission in penny 4. So Mrs. including past GJA president Afenyo. Woman I know what them were. Ogrigaja ponumina, including graphic corporation writer Baakye fencing. Fencing. Ayeboafo. Omunya no musi demo. Peshomo. As if so munim said the air cronocran. No. Nobody was ready. Just as if so be scared. Yeah. Small. And we allow this. Oko no the sike go group no so. Now a certain crofo up. When we sike ni we are later no the video na kwachira sa crofo no and the sikana uji wo table no so you are likely say obetua 3 times that money. And I say you, I don't know which one is which. Say, no, yeah, then no. My banu we bedim komo me come baby. I also mean Temiska can we are. I dare channel the video ni be piabon things then. And okay, not just say me ba kukumu corridor na me be hu na me no can year na be am mouth twice that money na and no be then. Obema makwa na say. Eduma we eduma ben am. Now on Wednesday, which of course will be the last program I'll do for the Easter show on Wednesday. My mom will pile of videos about this guy Aremeyaw with his face all uncovered. Nenimi na ada ho. Na what she say? Kwabena ni eduma wey. Ena wo ye chire wi ase wey Aremeyaw. Wednesday, including another top high-ranking government official, our Minister of Finance. Ono somebody sika top no so onsesa and he took the money. Or Minister of Finance. Wednesday, folks. Oh God of Israel. Now, my Emra Krata we in the Chrese. Assembly year 2019, precise April 12th. And the Ghana police for Kokochi Ore. Ore bi omokochi no Chrese. Or your suspect or mobilivis on Ahmed no. Okun. Now, Ahmed na ebusuafo eka ho bi na omukọ ekokọ apprehend is anype. Yemi says anype no we hemfa. According to this report, ye jana ma nekoe di entia. Let's go. Let's read this report, shall we? Now, I say family members of the late one no we hemfa kra. Hey, Kweku Addo. Say nipa benya ho to wi ase ha. Tie. Ya na me count me iso abeka say ntia na ma print yaba. O say the Accra to screen is ma. The Accra Regional Police Command has confirmed the arrest of a suspect in connection with the murder of Ahmed Suale, an undercover journalist and associate of the investigative journalist Aremeyaw Anas of the investigative firm Tiger IPI. Mr. Suale was shot and killed by 2 unknown assassins who are alleged to have monitored his movement and laid ambush on a motorbike at a spot at Medina on January 16, 2019. Confirming the arrest, the acting Accra Regional Police Commander, Deputy Commander Tio Afiabubu Police if needing, Greater Accra Regional Commander, Deputy Commander of Police, DCOP Mr. Kweku Deputy Commissioner of Police, DCOP, Mr. Kweku Pepra, said the Special Weapons and Tactics SWAT team of the command apprehended the suspect in a targeted police operation. The suspect, Abdul Rashid Mezongo. Your friend saying Abdul Rashid Mezongo, 29, was arrested at a spot close to West Hills Mall on the Malam Kaswa Highway about 10:30 a.m. Mr. Bwedu Pepra said Mezongo, in the process of his arrest, attempted to bribe the arresting officer with saying 200,000 Ghana cedis, which they declined. After Martin Seminibi, we na shisha police for no. Suspect no police for nankasa e kwakwa chino no. A ni die pia ye friend Abdul Rashid Mezongo no. Ebra ye chino no or ya attempt to or bribe sa officer no or arresting no. We saying 200,000 Ghana cedis. Officer nanye. Mezongo, who was in the custody of the Accra Regional Police Command at the time of filing this report, was being prepared to be taken to the headquarters of the Criminal Investigations Department, CID, for further investigation. Ghana. Oh, say nipa bema nipa nya asomdwe. Sibo ye chi no ono ko bribe police for no there be anya adwuma. Na de na buy. Or say family members of the late Hopeson Suale have expressed concern over the inability of the police to arrest, prosecute the suspected murderers of their relation. A brother of Hopeson Suale, Mr. Alhassan Yunus, had indicated that the family on its own had investigated, identified, TNE, or say, Yabo family member Bisudin. Alhassan Yunus also indicated that the family on its own had investigated, identified, tracked down, and arrested the suspected killers at 2 separate locations in Accra and handed them over to the police. And the Ghana police for the assembly. Afia busuani po kase won kasa kraso ayo mu investigations. Emo ma chinipa no okun wo mu busuani no ya Ahmed Suale. Emo mo de na ma police for owahi. Ghana for asam na enyo case na de obi pa na mo de na hye no ho. Obi ba e na mo de na hye. Anybody be a won sa, including Anas Aremeyaw Anas. So one say umubia onyame ohun mobo ala ohun mobo. Anybody in the government of NDC one sa mubi on this current soup way musemaye dien yankopon hum mobo tie and who say family nankasa kra na your investigation at obi di na koma police for ye ne den yankoso or say he said one of Theo afi one kasa relative near friend Alhassan Yunus no or say he said one of the suspected killers was arrested at the Medina Ritz Junction and handed over to the Medina police, but the Medina police said the case was beyond them, and so the suspect was later transferred to the police headquarters. Ghana for asma mekenyam nam troyo Graphic Online report na da ho April 12 2019 report we at the ho. Now the family members so much nipa na omo dey Race Junction police and omo ho so omo say then no case na ebro omo so na omo dey ba saying police headquarters police HQ omo dey ba dey na see now say the other suspect was arrested at Abolo pub near Kotobabi. Mr. Yunus, who said he had personally taken part in the arrest of the 2 persons suspected to have shot and killed Hopeson Suale, added that one of them was set free by police patrol team. Afionwa Ahmed Nebusi Afono, Yeden. Al-Hassan Hussein, can you know say? Any pan on which police food job are come and Now, he said the family was told by the patrol team that an order had come from above. An order had come from above that the suspected killer be set free, and that was done, despite the effort and stress the family had put in tracing the suspect. So where is Ahmed? Ninia Al-Hassan Yunus, where is he? And why is Ahmed family? Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet? Glozing your eyes over say, Yemfa Obiba, oni Muamudishan, oni ye Juma, no me a very close friends. No, oni I Daniel also granted, no, oni Ahmed your friends about very close. Me baby, but I'm just quiet. Me ready. Yeah, very. How can he? So bet me, you bet me implications on we go come Ahmed Suale. How? Moto my edin because seven previous and modishe winti. And a for bisu banko to musa. Na nipa na mwankasa moka hu bi ne ekoche no. Where is our suspect? Where are they? Have you told the police? Yes. Hey, Mr. IGP. Say ni say na assemblate. Mako come onu asema kire police for. Al-Hassan Yunus, where is he? Now here. However, I say the Director General of the CID Commissioner of Police, the Director General of the CID Commissioner of Police, COP Mrs. Mahamadu Bawumia Campaign, during a press conference on April 2nd, 2019, said 13 suspects have been questioned, including Kennedy Agyapong, the MP for Asante Central, and Anas Aremeyaw in connection with the murder of Ahmed Suale. She also stated that one suspect was on remand, assisting the police in investigations into the murder. She explained that the suspect, who was handed over to the police patrol team at Abolo pub, was set free on March 20th, 2019, because people at the drinking bar where he was caught had prevented the only policeman at the spot from arresting him, and for fear of his policeman's safety, he had to let the suspect go because other officers he had expected to aid the arrest had not shown up. Not just a muja suspect man koya or no so ntimi anchina because na mo fi say police officer na ono person arresting no ono kwa ontumi nchini. And of course police men are so be assisting so emnya ndru ho ntimuja na mane koye sa ho yo I say but Ahmed Suale's family discounted the family discounted the CID's boss claim, revealing that against severe danger they stormed the Abolo pub on March 17, 2019, and arrested suspects with the help of people in the area and handed him over to a 4-member police patrol team. I'm done. So which is which? Monfa, your director of research, Emra, na Bisana Sembi, 2 minutes, not on us on call. Folks, isn't this bizarre? We and young woman. So guess how the police have done their build-up. At the time, Mamiti Wawa office, why no more chain one? A call came from above. No mujan manekoi. All these people are 16, 13 suspects. Where are they? Maybe some. Where are they? How then Owusu crime team become now immediate? And Maramandi Abranteno, then prison custody. So. With thine eyes, we shall soon see the reward of the wicked. Share. Always I catch him say Ahmed Suale Niniano. or himfa. Mukaya 2 weeks ago na make us asem. Ebusiafo no mi bisamo. Mabupo ni nuanom ni bidin ebi so na paper na bodin say wo mo himfa mukae make us asem ne da ben. Folks, Eda me can say asem na momfa sa tape no na Ghana fu nti say Kweku, did I not say Ahmed Suale ni nua bi Hussein esoba yabo Al Hassan Yunus bi susidi. Where are they? Let me go on the line and speak to Director of Research, Anno Kofi Addo, maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll be done. Then we'll come back again. I'll make of this report we just read, and of course, you're also learning
because
tonight.
of time, it's more than fast. I'm the background in your little bit noise, Kaka, but I hope that what's American.
I hear you loud and clear.
Now, Mamaka want to fast today, because of time, you know. Tiwa ni press statement so the beno. Okay, the suspect no, or yeah. March 20, and our friend Wajanum okay because no feel the police name I can uncle one on 2 months because of the journal one. And our last answer so I sorry, no family member no so like that. 17th, Nanaka so I come home more catching the he said not be too.
Exactly.
Yes. Now say history me Tiwano ne in some of time madam. Yambe ya sebio ufi mo takrade no abekedo waka come watching hu baby wo na the next minute na mo phone be bones no na sebio o manyama kwake. So going by that assessment, it will be difficult for me to even believe Asante Bediatuo. It going forward I think that this matter must be interrogated. Today is not the best day for all of us because of how Enyama with a matching which I believe we find right time to look at it.
I agree with you.
I had the spend so much time because of but at least this time has been looked at Obilome day 17 or also like a 20th. And then you saw them 200,000 that issue order from above no thing. That suspect is for him. We have to understand some of these things. I think in the coming days we'll try and explore more.
But Kofi, let me stay a while longer a bit. And it's saying, suspect are yachting a normal police for 200,000 Ghana cedis. Kofi, I really pass to Kakao. So then the question remains, who may be this guy?
That is a question. So when the actually report now, Daily Gafro, what the Bay are reading coming. This Abdul Rashid guy, watching even made an attempt to bribe, unless the police for can go to include but if truly that guy made that offer, naturally he was guilty. That is why he was making that offer. It's in a how is that connected to a match? How a match be questioning?
Quite striking.
Unless suspect will keep now from that time out in there, and that he has mentioned Amachi saying now Amachi has been in and out from the country all this while. It's the whole thing now. One mind, so you could deep and saying I care very emotional. Because I'm really not happy, especially the way police for carry some of these things. And remember the Markin too fast. There, as a uniform, that doesn't mean they said you ain't you go. Any I want, but opportunity and waba. Now when what's the boy and was a Bediatuo. In tell you for Ghana Hoban, not to please anyone. But I'm making because of time in it, and then go into the matter in subsequent days and weeks to come.
Great. Yeah, most NDC partner. Don't try some of some group of NDC for you want to use a byway power when you're into to help Aremeyaw Anas to do what you call image damage control. Please don't try it. Mo pesa mo buano ma Anas eyeso betumi restore his image that been damaged. God knows how many years. Don't try it. I'm telling you, NDC Peniphobia Mushemu, because I can mention your name without. We have all the facts here. Here trust you. What we are hearing is Daniel Owusu Kranting, also known as Amache, has been arrested because he stand accused of drop pictures of Ahmed Suale to a politician known as Kennedy Agyapong. And that led to Ahmed Suale being exposed to his adversaries and met his untimely death. Much as that I want to restrain myself. But this is, you call it, and this, or indeed, this is enough to establish a prima facie case leading to incarceration of a man now suspect, really. Charge Amodi Abon say, "Onu ne nam no so, or the pictures a combine why a politician." Now let me break the news. The expose on Net2 TV that led to Anas being exposed, that led to Ahmed Suale being exposed. Kweku, I was extremely instrumental in that. I was the leading a expose. Yes, if any of you, I feel I will share my program now. We maybe I feel make us much wrong. Kweku Annan, I expose every nakedness and every being. The being called Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, was exposed by no any other journalist in this country except myself. Kennedy Agyapong, the politician on one hand, Kweku Annan, journalist on one hand, and we did that expose. And folks, if many of you recall, it was that expose. I said, listen, I am putting Kweku Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, NTS said, me the $1 million to her, on no some family to her, non-trivia say, and you only images any DP abonting on me coming into. And the question is, did he make any attempt to come? No. You see? But people were not trying to understand why we were doing what we were doing. In a sense, they said, we earlier had told the world to say, Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, the format of your investigative journalism is not investigative journalism. You are using this means. You are countenancing on the vulnerability of the institutions in this country, and you are using the institutions as a cash cow. In other words, you are making money into your pocket. Much as you think, sir, you are helping to sanitize the country and expose corruption. No, you are using it as a cash cow. No, we need to do bottom. You can't Ghana for so no, there be entry kakra. I feel what happened. Then now we have to make one step ahead of, sir. Let's now show Ghanaians how we are trying to justify, say, Anas, Aremeyaw Anas is a goddamn crook, a thief and a criminal, say, they are all a amount to criminal. Ghanaians know. So what did we do? We went one step, we took one step ahead. One step ahead, what did we do? I Kweku sitting here. This one, Kennedy Agyapong. Then we have to pull videos of Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, Ankasa, Onankasa, Ejuma Waye. Listen to me, Ghanaians. Ejuma, no, Anas, Waye Wabonte Hono. I took videos, call it unedited videos. Videos are not edited. Anas, Aremeyaw Anas, edited. That's the videos I went for. I intercepted. And when those videos were picked, what now we could do was to now put those unedited videos into the public domain and say, Ghanaians, watch this. Now, we are make a judgment for this. When Ghanaians started watching those unedited videos, that is where now many Ghanaians became more appreciative. Said, no, we weren't just simply embarrassing Anas, but we're telling the real story. Anything? Anas, Aremeyaw Anas would go and set the crime scene. He would go and set the crime scene. After setting the crime scene, then he pushed his adversaries into the crime scene. That's number 2. Number 3 was setting about 5 video cameras inside that same room. Then he would take the best of shots. Listen, enipa na anasi pia na kwashe dem one. Enipa na dream fa or you're innocent of whatever that is going to happen in the room, except to believe that either Anas might have called that person on a business deal or on something, so that is what the person is going. Only then for the person to arrive in the room. There is a center table. One, nesika gupono so. Se sika ngupono so. Then after engaging you in all forms of conversation or business, on your way going, then Anas will give you something, say, take this and use it to buy something for your case. And one, either say a big group on us. A group on us, what it means is that Anas is baiting you, he's enticing you, he's trying to, let you feel something, say, and Komona Mudieno, Sikasu group on us. You see, Nipo Betinaya Sana is no any other person, say, Nipa Adrimponi Unitri. Now, after say, or this bear in mind, the cameras are in the room. The cameras are positioned at vantage point to take a shot about you. The shot we are. Now, Ghanaians, listen to the worst part of this. And this is where it becomes very crucial that the Ghanaian institutions, the Ghanaian top officers, politicians, and the institutions that forms the umbilical cord of our media all closed their eyes and said they haven't seen anything until Anas' image went down the abyss today. And today, he's trying to do what you call image damage repairs. Now, when he finished, he takes all these videos. Then he will send the video into the editing room. He edits the video. After editing, now mind you, whilst he's doing the editing, he stand advantage of edits the video and put a narrative to the video to the best of him. And then the last one that he goes for the kill. He pulls this video, he advertised the video so much that the euphoria, he calls the alacrity of the whole movie or whatever it is. Then he pushed this footage into the court of public opinion. Finish. He's done with you. By the time you would make attempts, say, oh, Baba, be you, wanna trust me, he's done with you. Before the video will come, already the tidbits of you, the snippets of the information is already in the public domain, social media, and elsewhere. And he has catapulted, destroyed the image of those people before the whole entire video would even hit the airspace. And Anas is done with you. This is what they told all of us to say. We should embrace this journalism called subterfuge and what? Entrapment. Foolishness of the highest order. Stupidity. The Ghanaian institutions, MPP, NDC, all because some of you were feeding fat on most of the things Anas was doing. And some of you were also using tiger eye to be doing this stupid kind of journalism. And when we're talking, people say, no, we'll not listen to anybody. As long as now we are aware, they see what Ghana football. So be able. And say Ghana football, if you're beating, say now all our football administrators are talking, trying to tell us, yes, football not say yeah, free. And yes, so today, Aremeyaw Anas is sitting in the U.S. court, telling the U.S. court to say Ghana's justice system is one of the bogus one, and therefore, and into the case naba, sir. But me, if he said, or this stupid, dirty concern, this thinking thing, or the shading and the quarter president name, president name to can't say, hey, mon can't no yin free ho. Or the sad way to quarter, our judges said him, the justices were sitting and they were watching this. Mumisa so 2 years our America now. By the way, if you think that the US court system, the best are, still go to US and check, say, the current president of the United States, Donald J. Trump, is at crossroads with some of the Supreme Court in America, the DOGs. And this is one person who doesn't care, but will take Ghana to the international stage and embarrass us anyhow, anyway. But I believe that the justice system are listening. Now, we are making it now look, say, this gentleman called Daniel Owusu Kranting is the guy behind the murder of who? Ahmed Suale. How? Now, for the avoidance of what the police know or may not or didn't know, this suspect earlier had gone to Tesano police station to lodge a complaint about how his former boss, Aremeyaw Anas, with his co-hosts, were threatening his life to death. And the case was later or further moved to the police HQ for further investigations. And my question is, what has the police told the world about that investigations? Abrantiana says, police if watching no. Or your former worker of the Tiger Eye, Muntin Yo, Daniel Owusu Kranting, or your former worker of Tiger Eye, Oni Ahmed Nina, were two workers working with Anas. Now, Ebra and Samsamba, Mumisa said, Ebanesen almost split here. The splits of all of them came on the heels of say when Anas was exposed. Net2 Expóse then Anas got alarm say no. On one no and I then Ato enti woman now there was a scate. Everybody was trying to find a way out. Then this Amachi guy left Tiger Eye, decided say he's going his way. Now let me tell you what. This Abranti Amachi is the one in charge of their IT, also in charge of fixing all their cameras in the corners. Yes. Ghana for me say I'm going to roadmap no pepepe na machirema de. He was the one in charge of fixing all the cameras in the places womuko ekuku di bone no. Sema na wo bibi nye bibia. Obetini baby onka bi nchemu nya hwe. Munhwe nkrofo a the friend is saying all these top people, ministers from Ivory Coast, Liberia, Anas kowezu mu na do mu begu ehfa Dubai. In that hotel no ko expose Kwesi yantechi no odo mbegu ho pretend say ono mo ba be business so only then to realize that no, it wasn't actually business, but he was just to set them up and trap them and then take their videos to wherever, including Samoba Kaya, the former managing director Emma Dufour, former the Bank of Ghana chief Dr. Dufour, no running Unibank, Moka Unibank. God, no Dufour there. Dufour had one managing director na Ocean Bank no so. Your friend Felix Nyankopong. Muno ade Anas here no. Anas at that director way, Emma for plane from here to Dubai. Onim Anas o baby out. But Anas Aremeyaw Anas, coerced this man, lied to him, told Felix Nyankopong said, Opese, and Anas acted as if say or an Arab merchant. And that he wants to open a bank in Ghana, Ivory Coast, and other places. And this man has to fly from Accra to Dubai. That same hotel no did this hotel bako did this someone bebre. Ebra Felix Nyankopong kodru hono. Only trans a meeting. In that meeting, what happened? Also, a person be a bank ni buha, and that no Felix Nyankopong no or the neighbor African director, whatever. Folks, guess what happened? Ebra only Felix Nyankopong Kasano on the center table now what them on Nesika Guso. We no say $6 nina bam no de ma papa no kro hu baby face scan nhihye eno ano no eno ka che papa no say okwa onfa sa sika no enye den onfa nto bibi mfa nkoma ne. Listen, no, the narrative of Anas Aremeyaw Anas, whenever Anas is with you in a room of having a discussion that is of business, and then later that business will surface in the court of public opinion with a different narrative. This is the whole order and the mind game set of Aremeyaw. Ebra papa ni free Dubai bedru Ghana no video ne bedru Ghana de dada. That's the man that did not know say ni videos ebepie Ghana, and then the man was sacked from where Unibank without even a compensation. Now the question will be, and enough Felix Nyankopong why are now since obey me INSA. So me say me be sa branche we once. You see, it's been how many years Anas and some has gone to bed. But ade a omude ya ono ankasa na brante na ye Daniel Owusu Krante no na msi no I will expose certain things for the police to set up and yes. Now mama munyama mienu. One, how many of you know that Ahmed Suale had Ono Ahmed any yere any on one kasa ne pictures ne guni Facebook, but then the ironic aspect of it is that many people didn't know that Ahmed was an undercover agent. Therefore the pictures ni go just like that into be a nimino. Two, how many people know that Ahmed Suale was also shuttling between the premises of Ken City and that of Medina Abode. Nipa se nana munim se na Ahmed no ba ora Ken Kennedy Agyapong premises were back to back. How many of you know? And the question remains, many times Ahmed ewura safe hono no hwehwe de Obi baby is a question. Was he trying to lure Kennedy Agyapong and entrap him, or what was it? So Kennedy Agyapong said something. When the very first day Ahmed pictures came out, what did Kennedy Agyapong said? The person would see what he said and add 1 to 1. Ni kwanya e fast one ni pictures but enye abran na winim abran tie o mo accuse ni me na me feel so betimi ama me obi wenti amnas videos am obtain a document whatever over bunch of it, none could be traced to this gentleman. And all the stuffs I have, the videos, unedited videos of Aremeyaw Anas, which I'm sure in the coming days we have to put some in the public domain. We have to start the warfare again. Afiti asema Kennedy Agyapong when the pictures of Ahmed came out in the first of the public domain. Diana Kennedy listen to this.
They are very dangerous. What you do na haya? You should maybe a pop arazu. Buy your premises abi me say. Me. Mumuno ni ababa bi ametua. You are bad. Sa Ahmed no. Mun show omo pictures no na yewe. Somebody picture nchire mo. Mun nyina mo so woti Madina. Yes. Ayini ni. Boy no Ahmed no. We a friend Ahmed. The picture back wo mo fan to so na nyakes. God good. The picture back what you Madina ya. What back premises of the muno. So
as you can see rolling on the screen,
this is a boy. We're a bad boy.
Okay, did you hear that? Or say then, say oba premises ha munche namuya den momono. Can Kennedy Agyapong say no munko Ahmed fie na munko bono obetimi akasa. But then Kennedy Agyapong owned his premises to himself and everybody is entitled to self-defense. Now, so you are shuttling in and out of the yard for reasons into our yard no be anymore. It was later they know say auntie Sabrante no bahano. That is why Ahmed. That is where Kennedy Agyapong got alarmed. Now show. How? Now what was that? Bebe no munim say the premises of Ken City CCTV cameras eboboho and your pictures everything will be taken. So to obtain Ahmed pictures now Mumisa Anas pictures, how did we obtain it? Now namibao video unedited videos of Aremeyaw, we obtained those videos. How much more picture? Absolutely rubbish and nonsense. Didn't Ghanaians watch Aremeyaw Anas ne passport and ne picture womb? So why are you making some of these people? You are creating a Frankenstein monsters of yourselves. And why are you making this country look as though some people have blue blood, some people have special whatever, others don't? Really, in this country, and that's why I'm warning some NDC element. Be careful. If you want to help Anas to build his damaged image, then not this time. Because some of us warn him, say, listen, the myth, M-Y-T-H, the word, the myth about him will be demystified. And the myth will be broken. Hasn't the myth be broken? Because Boni anu wodienu na doso. Me, I didn't know 1/4 of the things he was doing out there until I went, and to me myself, I became a victim of that so-called stupid entrapment and that subterfuge, which is not applicable to journalism. But when we're talking the likes of Kweku Agyarko, the likes of the Kweku Bakuns, the likes of one Esan Kumanum, the likes of one Kofi Bentel, and one Samson Ladiayenene sitting at Joe FM, and there's something so only mean Adam Fusembium because of Anasun to Quenti. They sit at Joe FM and they were helping creating this Frankenstein monster to eat everybody up. And as though says investigation and bro mining pa and Ghanaians go and ask how much of property does an Aremeyaw or, and the question remains, how did he get them? Would he be able to preach that equity and come with clean hands? Today we are asking all the John Mohammed's ministers, everybody should declare their asset. He should come and tell us. The tallest building in Jolo, until somebody has built another one, remains to be that of Anna's property. Osi, Skaben Onyano this year as a journalist. Mobesi a code deeper on. We need time for it today. But here, Abranti or She Police if one me earlier has gone to report to police, Tesano police. This is it. Exhibit in any way. This was saying 2019. Daniel Owusu Kranting went to Tesano police. Reporters said, "Dear, the former boss Anas Aremeyaw Anas together with Anas' wife." This is what he wrote. That they are hunting him. They want to kill him. Mofa police extract into another honor. Everybody, look at it. I'm going to give you guys evidence-based evidence. Okay? Another honor. Now, how come that somebody who was battling for his life, somebody who was running for cover, because look, I know many of our NAS guys today who I cannot disclose their locations, but I'm aware where many of them are. When their boss cover was blown, many of them, all of them, they ran away. Now, he went to Tesana police station. So the question remains, how can somebody who running for his dear life, seeking custody, it was after this police report then he decided to say he has to leave town and will free town or call London, then US back. And he's been in this country for God knows how many days, weeks, months, years. But the impression is being created, said no, they are looking for him. Look, Kweku, as far as I remain, I will not allow anybody to distort the facts on the ground. I'm telling you. And all the conspirators in this case, because Munim said, you see, crime has become sophisticated, and it does appear that the police don't have the clue now as to be able to ascertain the murderers of Ahmed. So now, somebody whose image has been destroyed for far too long now want to use somebody to repair the damage. Oh, really? Yeah, Beshe. Now, we are also learning from the police that the suspect Daniel Owusu Kranting, also known as Amache, dropped Ahmed Suale's pictures at Net2 TV. Asked it, more try some may you video natural. But you know what? Later, Ebra Kennedy Agyapong and Semnedich as to how pictures, because we taken as now you can ascertain and you can guess, hazard a guess, how Ahmed pictures were obtained. And yet, let me dream and say, no, we create the same way to obtain their pictures. Anas, then the video Anas videos. Listen, okay? There was a video. I told Kennedy Agyapong and they can back at him to Kweku. You were right. When Anas investigated, the former MPP deputy finance minister, my friend is saying, what's the name of this guy? Akufo Addo. What's the name of the guy? Oh, Obiba Kennedy Agyapong family. Edubuahin. Ebra Anas, ne Ghana for Munim say Anas Aremeyaw Anas akoye investigation on Edubuahin. And then in that video was captured Edubuahin. Any president Akufo Addo on one cousin. On one cousin, ne cousin no, on nana oye your friend is saying oye chairman Emma National Communications Authority. He's also a lawyer. Lawyer, number for example, Wagus, Uti, I'm sorry, because you've told me it's a own person. I'm sorry, for want of clarity, I need to do this. Lawyer Wagus was captured in that video. Mumisa said, "Didn't na sa video na mabonten." Ebiom, They kept that video for God knows maybe bare 4 years. It was only until we intercepted the video and I told Ken, let's put this video. Also, no, but they portray chief of staff, Mami Free Pare, to know why or Yepesi justifies that Anas is not doing investigative job. Rather, no, and Nyoma Warrior in New to the benefit. Let me see you, Mate. Before our very eyes, Ono Dahono, Edu Boahen. Akufo Addo Agyapong di ya. Why? Because woman for video number, guess what they did? Now woman could try a portion of that video now. Sa brantie we e cha se du boahen on any side na ye capture no a na eno no so ni ma de omoye no the same way omoye Kwesi antation the same way no ye papa we. Now in the room now the same hotel now so no mo entrape Charles Edubuahen and no discuss group on so and so no mo Charles Edubuahen discuss business. Charles we no say Kennedy share the bottom we and that ono no dey an say as long as obetam sika show bottom no it's a matter of say verdict no amount of verdict we no the abani studio no abed it no amount narrative you are a criminal you are say onumpo sema. Now, Omuri and the video number at the Hobe 4-5 years. Now, for reason why they have to kick this guy out, Omu could try a portion of this video, Charles Edubuahen Ojiska. No, at that time, President Akufo Addo was in London, and on my instructions said Charles Edubuahen on resign uncle. Abrante, he's a fine guy that has done a lot of. Oh, here now is the because Charles, I know Charles well. Charles is a well-to-do guy. He's one of the big boys who are doing a lot of stuff, even in South Africa. But this is how Anas ended this guy's career, just like that.
Yo, it is for when a reporter about your proso make out say so when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe. Now while like a video no give us a thumbs up now fi share my wo foforo so na when you be here now who and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum. Also betimi a chere wadwen afa eye somewhere nyina ho e wo comment box mu mobati minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.